Yo guys, it's of course your boy Alexandrus. We are back again with another video. Today we're on OpenLedger, guys, and we will be talking about their mainnet that is going live. So it's a pretty cool video in my opinion. Before we start, as always, I need to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research and you should always do your own due diligence, because I don't take any responsibility for your actions. And with that said, we can dive into this video, guys. So Open Mainnet is basically going live, and well, we will be talking about it today. So first things first, let me briefly explain OpenLedger to you. Basically, it's an AI blockchain. It is a very serious project on tech, unearthing the space on AI blockchain and its mainnet launch. So it's pretty cool. And probably when you are seeing this, the mainnet is already live, basically. So yeah, that's when you are seeing the video. So yes, it's live. It's a next generation blockchain network for AI. They are backed by huge investors. They are a really project with a huge potential in my opinion, and we will be exploring their mainnet also today. So it's pretty cool. There are more than 40 projects being built on top of OpenLedger, and now it's possible for even individuals to contribute and build on the chain, which is pretty cool. And their native token is called Open. It is listed on more than 40 exchanges and on top exchanges like Binance, Upbit, BitHump, and more. And it's pretty nice because, guys, they've been listed pretty much instantly on Binance, which is kind of unheard of, especially for the AI tokens. So let me pull up the chart for you also. So we have OpenLedger here, and it's been up nicely, by the way, because of the announcement. But obviously, right now, due to the market conditions, it is how it is. But honestly, they are doing pretty well, even considering the fact that currently the market is pretty unstable. They are performing pretty nicely. Look, it's growing as we speak, by the way. I don't know what is this flash crash here. Like, it happened to every single currency, just so you know. Like, for example, BNB. I mean, I don't know, bro, like, I don't even know. But yeah, we are focused on Open, obviously. So they are also pretty undervalued for what they offer, in my opinion. They just have $50 million market cap, which is positive in the fact of that you can, you know, jump in early right now if you want to. Obviously, as I said, I will be definitely picking up some tokens myself because I'm pretty interested in what they are doing. So the token itself really has a lot of potential, guys. And it is $1 billion listing overnight at the end of the day, as the title says. So Open Mainnet is the first chain built for AI fairness at scale. Its proof of attribution allows developers and enterprises to verify the origin of every dataset and every model update. And with one of the strongest day one listings in recent history, they crossed 1.8 billion across Binance, BitHump, and Upbit. OpenLedger also emerges as an infrastructure-grade network. The launch places Open Mainnet among the few blockchains capable of reshaping an entire technology sector, matching the early impact of Ethereum and Tau, for example. So it's pretty cool project with a lot of potential, as I said, guys. So yeah, honestly, this looks really nice. And here are the exchanges that I told you about. So yeah, as you can see, they had their all-time high 2 months ago at $2, guys. So right now, it is basically they are at their all-time low because of the market conditions. So I don't know what's better entry point than this. I mean, it's hard for a better entry point than this, in my opinion. Obviously, I'm not a financial advisor, as I said. I'm just, you know, just a YouTuber and investor myself. So I'm just talking from my experience. But yeah, honestly, like this, guys, is definitely some huge price growth potential here. It even shows you because of the all-time high. And this still was very small market cap, even at $1.85. And again, this is a project that has a fully backed technology and all of that. So honestly, it's pretty cool. They have really great volume, 16 million right now. It also grew 25% because of the hype of the mainnet launch partially. So it's really cool to see that. And yeah, the mainnet launch definitely will be pretty cool. So we can also explore it. I will show you that right now. But before we do that, you can also check out their white paper or their documentation that is on Gitbook, as well as their products. So for example, you have the AI Studio and some other stuff here. And as I said, they are backed by multiple brands and big players in crypto, such as Polychain Capital, as you can see, Borderless, Finality, and many more. So honestly, when it comes to the backing, there is a lot of it, so it's nice to see. So right now, let's dive into OpenLedger's mainnet. So alright guys, so we are 1 day later and we can dive into the OpenLedger's mainnet. So now that it's live, you can actually upload our own data and open tokens for it. So the leaderboard basically updates based on how much each person contributes, which is pretty cool to see in real time as well. Okay, so you can see multiple informations here, which is pretty nice. Everything is explained here, and I will be logging in a second. So you can open also by doing multiple cool things. They have the leaderboard that I just told you about, top contributors leaderboard, as you can see, and you can check out the scores, you can check out the addresses, obviously not fully. So yeah, let me log in with Google real quick. All right, so we are in, and right now we are inside the model datanet. So you will notice a bunch of data sets already shared by the community. Let me open maybe this one called Airdrop Hunter. Let's do this one. It already has over 1.5 thousand views, by the way, so clearly people are checking it out. And as you can see now, I'm going to add my own data as well, which is pretty cool. The process is very straightforward. You just hit this contribute button, window pops up where you can drop your file, so I'll drop this one. Once it's uploaded, make sure to click save and upload, right? Make sure to click save and upload. After that, the data needs to get verified. As you can see, it's submitted for validation, and then if the model owner fine-tunes it using the model factory, and then whenever the model gets used, and if that triggers my data, then I will get paid in Open. So it's pretty cool. It's really just about consistently adding both high quality and high volume data to climb up the leaderboard and get rewarded, which is pretty fair condition. So with that being said, let me know guys what you think about OpenLedger. What do you think about this new mainnet, and whether you will be utilizing it or no, because I'm very open to hear yeah, I'm very open in fact to hear your opinions and your takes. And obviously guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to follow me so you don't miss the next uploads. And yeah, that's it from me for today. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next ones.